Gophers are small mammals native to North America, famous for their impressive burrowing abilities. They belong to the family of rodents called Geomyidae. Gophers are quite unique among rodents, as they have short limbs, short ears, and a rounded body shape. Their fur is typically brownish-gray, with some species showing a range of colors from yellowish-brown to blackish-gray. The most striking feature of gophers is their powerful front teeth, which are continuously growing throughout their lives. These teeth help gophers dig their complex tunnels and burrows. Their tunnels can extend up to 2,000 feet, and they create multiple chambers for food storage and nesting. Gophers are solitary animals, with each individual having its own burrow system. They feed mainly on plant materials, such as roots, stems, and leaves. Their burrowing activities help mix the soil, improving soil aeration and water infiltration. However, their tunnels can also pose problems for agriculture, as they can damage crops. Gophers are interesting creatures, filled with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their environment. For instance, their eyes and ears are small, but their sensitive whiskers help them navigate their underground world. Moreover, they have a keen sense of touch and can detect vibrations from potential predators. Gophers are fascinating animals that have adapted to a life underground. Their burrowing activities are not only crucial for their survival but also contribute to soil health and ecosystem dynamics. Understanding these burrowing rodents provides a glimpse into the intricate web of life that exists beneath our feet. While gophers can be a nuisance in agriculture, they play a vital role in the ecosystem. They help control pests, recycle nutrients, and create habitats for other animals. So, the next time you see a gopher, take a moment to appreciate this fascinating creature and the important role it plays in the natural world.